Hola a todos. Today we're going to discuss el imperfecto y el pasado continuo. This is the imperfect tense and the past progressive. Let's start with el imperfecto. I have this arrow there because it is a really good representation of what el imperfecto represents. So it's something that I used to do that he was doing or you were doing, or something that you would do but in the past tense. Here's exactly how you would use it. So whenever you would say ing, so we were walking home when we saw Juan, so caminábamos para casa cuando vimos a Juan. Anytime that you use the time, so eran las 8, it was 8 o'clock. Whenever you use the weather, which hacía sol, it was sunny. If you use age, tenía 8 años, so I was 8 years old. Simultaneous actions, so things that you would do at the same time. Hablaba y escuchaba música. I was listening and talking. I was talking and listening to music. Background description, so when you're setting up a scene, mi vestido era azul, my dress was blue. Things that you used to do are habitual actions, so things that would happen that would be reoccurring. So iba a la escuela cada día. I went to school every day. That could also be I used to go to school every day. Mental activities, me gustaba leer. So things that have to do with emotions really is what that would be. So I like to read. That could also be I used to like to read. Or, so physical states and descriptions. Juan estaba enfermo, so Juan was sick, and that also is describing him. All right, conjugations of the AR verb would be aba, abas, aba, abamos, and abam. For ER and I are the exact same, ia, ias, ia, iamos, and ian. Notice that the third person singular and the first person singular are the exact same conjugation. So you can figure out to whom they're referring according to the context. Also notice that the AR verb only has one conjugation with an accent mark, which is the nosotros form. And the ER and IR, every single one of them have an accent mark. So for the AR, if I have the verb estar, it'd be estaba. With an ER verb, tener would be tenía. And IR verb, vivir, would be vivía. All right, there are 3 irregulars, but the good thing is there's only 3 irregular. That's it. So ser would be era, ver would be veía, and ir would be iba. All right, on ser and ir, those are the only 2. Sorry, my cat just jumped on my computer. On ser and ir, there's only 2 accent marks, and that's on the nosotros form. Ver has an accent mark on every single conjugation. All right, el pasado continuo. So this is the past progressive. We have already learned that present progressive is something that you're currently doing. So I am speaking. Yo estoy hablando. Now let's do the past tense, so something that you were doing. It's ongoing actions in the past. It's estar plus the gerund. The conjugations would be estaba, estabas, estaba, estábamos, and estaban, plus the ing, the ing, which is ando or yendo. Here's an example. ¿Qué estabas haciendo cuando te llamé? So what were you doing when I called you? All right, that's all of them. Please let me know if you have any questions. Adios.